Let's walk through this problem together. On Saturday afternoon, Aman sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. So if he sent Amand, let's first write out Amand, he sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. That means he sent 5 M messages in 5 hours. Since he sent M message in an hour for 5 hours, he sent 5 M messages. And Tyron sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. That means we have 4 P messages in 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Amand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? So that means we'll be adding the text messages sent by the first person plus the number of text messages sent by the second person, and this would be 5M plus 4P. That will be the total of messages sent by both of them on that Saturday afternoon. And what option is that? Don't make a mistake when you are choosing your option. You can see this, look at this, and look at this. If you choose D, then you will be wrong because this is 4M plus 5P. So the correct answer is 5M plus 4P. So be careful